how pharmacy operates is that, when a patient gets their prescription and brings it into the pharmacy, 9 times out of 10, the patients uh, today have some sort of prescription benefit.
Okay.
And between their insurance company and the pharmacy, there's middlemen called pharmacy benefit managers.
Okay.
And those PBMs were initially designed 30, 40 years ago to be claims processors. The pharmacy would buy a drug, generally either from the manufacturer or from a wholesaler, and they'd put a markup on that, adjudicate the claim, send it through the PBM, and the PBM would issue a check from the pharmacy. So that's kind of how um, PBMs were originally designed to work with pharmacies.
Okay.
What we're finding now, and what has actually become a huge burden on the industry of pharmacy, not just independent pharmacies like mine, but large regional chains, drugstores that you've heard of, like Rite
Hmm.
Aid, even Walgreens on occasion. Um, a pharmacy can buy a drug, put a markup on it, and the PBM will say, well, we're not going to reimburse you that price. We're going to reimburse you this price. And it could even be less than the acquisition cost of that drug. So the pharmacist has a really difficult choice. They've got a patient in front of them. They have the drug in stock, and they have to choose, am I going to take care of my patient, or am I going to send them away
Hmm.
because their PBM doesn't want to pay me today for this medication? And
Right.
it's a huge problem. It's closing pharmacies all over the country. In my own county here in Central Florida, we've had 5 pharmacies that closed in the fourth quarter of 2023,
Hmm.
chain drugstores and independents. So, um,
That's crazy.
yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, just to back up a step for the people like myself in the audience, you're buying pharmaceuticals from pharmaceutical companies, I assume, and then and those are your suppliers, right? To make it, the language the same across other businesses, and those pharmaceuticals come in, and then you resell those at theoretically an additional rate. But then that's where the problem really comes in. Is that what you're explaining?
Yeah, the pharmacy industry is broken right now. That
Okay.
the price of a drug that pharmacies can buy from their suppliers,
Mhm.
very often throughout the day, they can be reimbursed by PBMs lower than the acquisition cost of that drug. Um, and so pharmacists are in this unique situation of having to choose between taking care of their patients or taking care of their own families and putting
Mhm.
food on the table.